Hi, this is Mike Palin of the Floyd Wickman team with an invitation to you to our business breakthrough. That's our 2-day annual business planning event. Floyd and I do this event every year for Floyd Wickman program graduates and our invited guests who want to put their business plan in place before the holiday season starts. January is too late to start business planning, and December's just too busy. I remember a day in April a few years ago when Floyd asked a room full of 600 real estate agents to raise a hand if they started the year with a goal, and almost every hand went up. Then he asked, how many of you know for a fact that as of today, you're still on track to hit your goal? And almost every hand went down. Here we are in the second half of the year. How many of you know someone whose 2019 just isn't turning out the way they'd hoped it would? Why is it so few real estate salespeople enjoy the fantastic financial rewards available to them? And why do so many end up the year nowhere near their full potential? Well, Floyd Wickman has the answer. He's always had the ability to take the complex and make it simple. If you want to get what you want to out of real estate, before you get out of real estate, we created the business breakthrough just for you. In its simplest form, what's missing for most agents are three things: a solid foundation, a specific goal, and a foolproof plan. Think of it as a foundation that has 4 cornerstones. And here's what they are. The first cornerstone you need is a clear vision. The second, an unchanging purpose. The third cornerstone is a steady faith. And the fourth, well, that's a sincere gratitude. Without a solid foundation, no business and no building can stand against the elements. At the Business Breakthrough, we make sure all 4 of these cornerstones are in place. You will leave with a clear vision of 2020 that serves your life purpose, and you will find the basis for unwavering faith in your ability to achieve your goals and the attitude of gratitude that attracts your better future. The second ingredient is a specific goal. Each of us has a wish in our heart and a picture in our mind of where we want to be. But that's just the beginning of achievement. The Business Breakthrough will show you how to take that dream, that wish, that hope, that expectation, and create specific, measurable goals that will energize you throughout the year. And of course, a goal without a plan is just a fantasy. So the third ingredient we put in place at the Business Breakthrough is a step-by-step activity-based plan. As Floyd says, there's nothing special about special people. It's what they do that makes them special. It all happens November 18th and 19th at the Griffin Gate Marriott Resort in beautiful Lexington, Kentucky. So circle the dates on your calendar. Floyd will be there, along with the entire Floyd Wickman team, and you'll be rubbing elbows with the best trained, most generous salespeople in North America. And by the way, they're also the nicest. Go to floydwickman.com/breakthrough and use the promo code 35% to get a 35% discount off the regular ticket price, and that's good until September 1st. You want to get a vision of 2020? Come join us at the Business Breakthrough.